When you're on the home page of Prezi, then you will see this, and to access it, you should click on Prezi Video, and I have already done so. So you can see out different options that you can access with Prezi Video. So over here you can see there's the quick record function, which allows you to create a new video, or you can import out existing PowerPoint slides or use Prezi Present over here as well and make a video off of that. So over here, if you want to start out a project, you can also click on the plus button right here, which creates a new video file over here as well. So you do need to allow access to your camera for the computer to be able to see you right here. And once you open up Prezi Video, if you have your camera connected, then you will see whatever you're seeing from your webcam right over here. So over here, you can go around and enable and disable different things like the shadow over here on the right, and you can see yourself, or you can go around and see the presentation if you were to click on this. Over here on the right side, you can import your existing content or drag and drop your files as well. So you can click on import and import out your contents from different areas, as you can see right here. You can also go around and practice and record from this section, and you can go around and see different things like screen share options and everything else from here. On the top right hand side, you see the 3-dot icon right here, which allows you to choose out templates, go back to dashboard, create a new video file, or import out different documents. On the top left hand side, you got different options for like camera settings, and there's microphone settings right here, view settings, and everything else. And over here on the top, you got the hide panel, and so presenter notes and every option over here, as you can see. So in this course, we're going to explore out all of the features that Prezi Video provides you with to create a very good presentation video. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.